Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Harbor Freight protection and power save up to 83%. I guess what they're saying is that pretty much it's hurricane season and monsoon weather and blackouts and all that stuff. Power grid down. That's basically what they're saying. Yeah, it is. I know I had a blackout a few years ago and wasn't fun. Anyways, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and let's go ahead and get started with this. Yeah, we got a protection and power, save up to 83%. It says Predator inverter generators, super quiet series. So the inverter is gonna be your clean energy, your computer, TV, LED TV, or the cleaner energy. But the ones that are not inverter, those are like your dirtier energy. It's not pure sine wave. So those what would happen is that over time it'll break your device or make it not run as efficient or as well as it should. So that is the difference between those two of the generators. Well, there's inverters and generators. So anyways, these are the cleaner ones. These are the best ones. You got 2000 watt super quiet inverter generator, $449. 3500 watt super quiet inverter generator, $699.99. However, if you guys want to get some great deals on these, would recommend getting it on the parking lot sales. Parking lot sales, usually these are about maybe 70%, 70 to 50% off. So I always check out my videos. I always check out when the parking lot sale is going to be. There's always some of these around, laying around on those parking lot sales. They are open box, or they are brought to new specs. Basically, that's what they are. It's people that go home, open up the box, and decide to go with something else, and they return it to the store. Those are the items that you would get on these open box items. Anyways, all right, there's a coupon for those. All you need is the coupon number. You feel free to take a screenshot. Got the Predator portable generators. These are your basic generators. These are not the inverted generators like the other two up on the top. These are for mostly like an power outage or an emergency situation, or if you want to run some power tools. These are great for that. Anything will get you out of that problem. This will even run an AC, so a small AC. We got the 4375 max starting. Extra long life gas powered generator, $349.99. You got the 6500 max starting gas powered generator, $449. You got the 9000 watt starting for $629.99. And then you got the 4000 watt max starting gas. This is the older version of this, so this is the it's gonna be like your better quality, newer design and everything. This is the gas powered generator, $299.99. Get that 8750 watt max starting gas powered generator, $549. This is the one that says 9000 here. It's the same one. You got an 8-inch because these don't come with tires and wheels and tires and those rubber mounts and this. So you have to buy that separately. Yeah, I know they make you buy that separate, but yeah. Pretty much they are cheap, a lot cheaper than other stores, unless they're on sale. So you got 8-inch flat free generator wheel kit, just on $20. 10-inch heavy duty flat free tire, $39.99. You got the 25 feet 10 gauge generator duty twist lock extension cord, $37.99. 2000 watts RB ready parallel inverter generator kit. So you can put two of those together with this kit for $39.99. You get the Drummond Predator gas powered pumps. You get the 1.6 horsepower submersible utility pump, $49.99. 1-inch gasoline engine clear water pump, $149. You got the 1x25 PVC hose, $14.99. You got 13 horsepower submersible utility pump, $74.99, 2-inch semi-trash gasoline engine. Water pump, $169.99. You got the 2x25 feet PVC discharge hose, $27.99. 3/4 horsepower, 3/4 horsepower submersible utility pump, stainless steel construction, $149.99. 3-inch semi-trash gasoline engine water pump, $289.99. Anything with the Predator engine, it's gonna be a solid device or a solid tool here. So just to let you guys know, these engines are real good. 3-inch by 25 feet. Is this that same one? Yeah, it's a little different. This is 2. This is 3. Yeah, this is 3-inch, $34.99, and then you got the 1x20 feet PVC intake hose, $21.99. You got the 2-inch, $49.99. 3-inch, $79.99. Okay, storm supplies in stock and ready to ship. Yeah, as you guys know, monsoon season's around the corner, or hurricane season. Wherever you're at around the world or around the United States, you're gonna get some sort of weather problems. Here we're already getting not the rain, but we're getting it's real hot, like humid hot, and it's real bad. Anyways, 14-inch electric chainsaw, $39.99. 18-inch gas chainsaw, because they do sell a gas chainsaw, $149.99. And this is the smaller one. This is for a lighter duty use. This is great. I gotta get myself one of these. 20 volts lithium cordless 10-inch chainsaw, $69.99. You got the 40 volts lithium cordless 14-inch brushless chainsaw, $154.99. Pretty much both of these are on the same price range, except these are battery operated. Got the 3-in-1 portable power pack, $49.99. 4-in-1 portable power pack, $59.99. You got the jump starter and power pack. This is great, guys. I do have a video starting a V8, so check that out. Put tool head 147, or you can put jump starter and power pack, or Viking jump starter and tool head 147 in the search section above, and you'll see that video. 5x7 feet tarp, $240. These are always free. There's always free coupons. If you guys need a coupon for this, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see if I can make a free coupon video so you guys could have 11 feet by 15 feet heavy duty reflective tarp, $12.99. 11 by 18 feet, $18.99. And then you got the 19 by 29 feet, $49.99. You got some batteries here, good, better, and best. These are, tell you guys the truth, I don't want to say bad stuff about Harbor Freight, but these are kind of like trash. I did have it on one of my remote controls on my TVs, and batteries tend to leak acid. So would not recommend these at all. I mean, you get them for free on some coupons. I would spend my money somewhere else, maybe these or these. I haven't tried these personally. I heard these are pretty good, so would rather go with something like this. And $5.99 for 18 pack is not a bad deal at all, guys. And especially if they're comparing themselves to Energizer or Duracell. So, anyways, that's that. You got the 310 lumens adjustable headlamp, $9.99. These are great, especially for emergency situations or inspections. $9.99. You got the 1500 lumens LED rechargeable work light, $39.99. You got the 534 lumens 3D flashlight, $16.99. 250 lumens pop-up lantern, $4.99. Anything that has a bron or quantum, great items to have, by the way. See what's new. You got the fire rated weatherproof document safe, $44.99. You got the 10,000 mAh battery bank charger, $19.99. I do have this. I just did a review on my channel, so if you want to check it out, just put Harbor Freight battery bank or Armstrong battery bank, and that will pop up in the search. Yeah. Then you got the folding fabric wagon for under $100. I had just the design doesn't really You know, this wheel sticking out on the back. I don't know. I haven't used it, but don't really like this design. I do have one from Costco. It's so far so good. Um, but yeah, this design, I don't know. I gotta see what people think about this and see the reviews on these because it doesn't really seem quite well designed there. You got 150 feet capacity, roof mounted cargo carrier, 69.99. So this is like more like your Walmart type of cargo carrier. Seems like, you know, pretty good, well built. It's metal, so it shouldn't be a lot of bad design. It is by Hallmaster, so anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 reviews, 2 deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.